So today I'm about to show you how to structure legal documents inside NotebookLM. First, do not dump a massive, unsorted mix of files into a single workspace. Instead, open NotebookLM and create a separate notebook for each individual legal case or matter you are working on. Next, click the Add Source button on the left panel to upload your case files. To keep the AI's semantic search clean, you need to upload your files in distinct categories. Start by uploading your primary sources like pleadings, motions, and court orders. Then upload your discovery materials, including deposition transcripts and witness statements. Finally, add a third group of relevant case law or practice guides. Pro tip: legal jargon can confuse standard AI vector engines. To make your workspace highly accurate, create a custom text note or PDF called a glossary and case directory. Paste in the exact spelling of party names, unique acronyms, internal claim numbers, and definitions of specific terms used in your case. And that's it. That's how to structure legal documents inside NotebookLM. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.